Hi there, this is Mike Dyson with MarineMax Sail and Ski in San Antonio. Excited to come to you again with our latest DARGEL 230 Cat. Boat was just received, came out beautiful. This is a new gel coat option in teal. We did the white console, white decks, light gray floor with some white webbing in there. Absolutely beautiful. Boat's got a lot of options on it. Pretty well turnkey, ready to go. I'll go through those here shortly, but let's do a little walk around here. Nice custom aluminum ladder. Of course, we've got the Merc V8 on the back, power-wise, 250, 527 pounds. Amazing power to weight ratio, gobs of torque, 4.6 liter block, so you get all the power down low when you're trying to get out of shallow water. You can see this boat has a key slot tunnel. It runs full length of the boat, so shallow water access is a breeze. Being a catamaran design with very sharp entry points in the front, which we'll see in a second. Extremely smooth and dry. A lot of boats make claims to run shallow, run smooth, keep it dry. This boat, the rubber meets the road. Everything works. It's as advertised. You can see how sharp our sponsons are on the Cat are. Notice they have lifting strakes built in there. What that does, keeps the nose from stuffing in waves, and as water comes up, it knocks that spray down, keeping you very dry. Also got some spray louvers integrated into the hull here, so it avoids that cat sneeze when you're running across a rough, choppy bay. People take these boats in the flats, take them offshore, obviously bay fishing. What a setup. A true no compromise boat. Looks great sitting on that really nice custom coastline. Tandem axle aluminum trailer with matching spare. All LED lights. Nice looking wheels. What a boat. I'm going to stop the video for a second, hop on board, show you some features inside. Love that T-top with those rolled legs. Really stylish looking. All custom made by the fine folks at DARGEL. Been building boats in South Texas since 1937. Let's hop on board, check it out. All right, here we are on board the DARGEL 230 HDX Cat. I don't know if you can pick it up in the video, but there are gobs of square feet on this boat to fish. The beam is 8'6" and it runs from stem to stern, as they say. Nice textured casting platform for the front here. Notice they use all stainless equipment, stainless hardware, recessed on your hinges so that lid will lay flat on the deck as you're accessing it. It's got a good seal on it and a lip. Keeps it dry if you want to use it for dry storage. Again, all stainless hardware throughout. Stainless pop-up cleats. This boat we opted to do an additional one in the middle there, so if you want to use a drift sock, you've got a handy place to tie off. From the front of the boat shooting back, as you can tell, we have a raised platform. I love being able to have a huge live well in the front when we do that. You can use it for bait, obviously, or if you're going to catch and cull some fish. It's large enough to keep the fish alive in there, no problem. All the live wells on this boat will recirculate water to maintain temperature, pH balance, and everything. Also has a Pro Air system, so you can keep the bubblers going. Second of 3 live wells here. Great place for people to sit and ride. Nice comfortable seats. The legs of the T-top act like a handle. Very secure feeling. This is the newer design console, so you actually pick up some dry storage behind there. Really handy. That T-top came out great. Plenty of rod holders along the side of the console here. Integrated check stick for measuring fish. Always need a handy measuring device there. Custom leaning post, guys. Got fold down armrest. Gives you a secure feeling if you're going to sit down. You've got a armrest to hold you in place. Very comfortable. Independent footrest, so passenger and driver can choose whether they want to stand or if they want to sit down and have a footrest. They've got that option. I've added the additional cup holders here on the T-top. You do have standard cup holders built into the console here. You'll see this boat's nicely equipped. Got a Garmin 9-inch GPS chart plotter sonar. Speaking of sonar, this boat is equipped with the in-hull transducer, so you should get signal much faster than traditional transom mount transducer. All resettable breakers here on our switches. Nice AM/FM Bluetooth media center there. Link your phone up. Got some good 6.5-inch speakers there. Good quality sound on the water. Moving around. Beautifully rigged boat. Very well laid out. As they would say in England, very smart layout. We've got jack plate control here, power pole control here, ignition, kill switch, full complement of gauges. Let's not forget that insulated cooler with easy access right here on the console. Keep your food and drinks in there. Save your ice chest that you bring on board for your fish, so you don't have the fishy smelling boat. You can take that ice chest out easy and clean it. Dual battery system is an option. We've got that on this boat. Lots of under console storage. As much room as we have on the front, we still got room to fish several people back here. This is the third of all 3 live wells. Nice and deep. Again with a good seal on it. All stainless hardware. Even did the DARGEL Flying D logo. Little details like that is what's so nice about custom boats. Power pole 8-foot Pro 2. Atlas jack plate. And all we need is some fuel and some time to go, guys. This thing is turnkey ready. DARGEL 23 HDX Cat. Thanks for taking a walk through with me. My name is Mike Dyson. I can be reached at 210-347-5768. Be happy to discuss this DARGEL Cat or any of the other models available. Look forward to helping you, getting you on the water, catching the big ones. Take care. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.